easier. The older I get, the less I want to clean, the more I want it easy, but the more I want a clean house for a change. You know what I mean? It's like after 4 kids, I don't always, I rarely had a clean house. If I had cleaning ladies, they'd come and an hour later it'd be a mess.
A total
and I'm
mess.
like, rats. But the thing is, this is gonna make it easy. It's the first day at a sale price. We're saving you $10 by getting this today at $45 instead of $55. And Christopher Joyce is one of our cleaning experts. Christopher,
Good to be here.
have
Thank you. Yeah, what I'm showing you is you are no longer having to do the rubbing and the scrubbing. You don't have to bust your knuckles. You don't have to break out the toothbrush. You can see with this large head, which we've never offered before, look how it grabs onto the soap and makes cleaning so fast, so easy. What I love too is that you're actually getting 2 different speeds, and you even have a digital display that's letting you know how much battery life is left. But I think what makes this really special, unless you want to go to the colors.
Well, tell me what's special first.
What makes this really special is that it actually contains a power jet system that allows you to fill your favorite liquid, whether it's water for cleaning or your favorite cleaner.
Yeah.
And watch this. I put a piece of paper here just so you can really see it.
Oh, yeah.
It dispenses everything for you. So rather than having to have a separate cleaner in another hand, now I'm able to
can or whatever.
Exactly. Now I'm able to spray the whole area, and now I'm going to be able to clean. Look at this. Not only the soap scum from the tile, and remember, I didn't have to spray anything because it's already in that power jet.
Wow.
And not only is it cleaning the tile, but what I really want you to notice is what it did to the grout lines. Look at this.
Yeah.
Your job is done. You didn't have to do the rubbing and the scrubbing. Look at the difference. All the grout is clean, all the tile is clean. There's your before, there's your after. Dramatic difference, and you didn't have to do the rubbing and scrubbing. You didn't have to get a toothbrush in there to take care of the mess.
This is so awesome. And by the way, we haven't even shown you
That's right, the
that
extension.
it can take it out 40 inches more. Here's your colors. We have 3 colors. We call this the graphite gray, the sky blue, or the lavender. Now, the blue and the lavender are only at QVC. You can get the gray elsewhere, but it will cost you more. Right now, we're even $10 less currently than our typical QVC price of $55. You're going to get that big head that you've just been seeing. We're going to show you this conical head that you see right there, which is going to be great. And then here's your extensions. The other thing I was thinking, because we don't have to plug it in,
it's cordless and rechargeable.
I could actually do this, like, I want to say, while I'm in the shower before I get out and dry off. Like, I don't have to wait. Like, I would turn off the water. Yeah. But the whole thing is, I could, at the end of my shower, I could quickly clean the door and the tiles and all that before I even get out.
So what you're, exactly right. Now I'm using that conical brush, that tapered brush.
Yes.
So not only am I cleaning the soap scum from the glass shower door or the corner, but I'm actually getting into the corner, which is really neat. That's the beautiful thing. You can see that it really worked at pulling all the dirt, the grime, the mold, the mildew. Now I'm going to take my cloth and finish it off. And there you're going to see the difference. I mean, I have quite a bit of solution in there because I was able to pull it off. But look at the difference. There's your before, there's your after. But the most important thing is that corner is clean and you didn't have to get in there and rub and scrub.
Right, exactly. Okay, so that's if you're just doing it handheld. Now we're going to show you if you want to do it from a distance.
Exactly. So look at this, 3 feet away. No, you can stand right there because I'm not going to get in your way.
Exactly. Or anything.
So whether it's the back of the shower, the bottom of the tub, this is going to take care of it for you. I'm not having to do the rubbing and the scrubbing. It's breaking down the mess that's on that glass. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take just a little squeegee, buy one at the dollar store, and look at this. Your job is done. Or just turn on the water. It'll wash away, rinse away, but the squeegee really gives you that perfect finish. But you didn't have to rub and you didn't have to scrub.
Wow. Okay, so here's the other thing. Let's go to the floor. Let's say it's the pan that's in the tub or the shower or whatever.
And it's hard to see, but I'm actually dispensing the cleaner onto the pan.
And it
I'm
could
not
be
having
water,
to bend down. It
could be any cleaner we want.
Exactly.
But like I would like to put a little GP66
there
in
you go. Exactly. You could certainly do that. And look at this, you're not having to bend down to take care of it. You're allowing it to rub and scrub. And with that big, beautiful head, I've never sold a scrubber like this that had such a large head.
Right.
Look what a phenomenal job it did. Now, you would typically turn on the water.
Right.
But
and
I can't do that here.
Yeah.
But look at that. And your job is done.
Goodness.
You didn't have to do the rubbing and the scrubbing.
Wow.
Right?
That's fabulous. Now, here's a couple quick questions
Sure.
that I have for you. When I go to charge it,
Yes.
how do I charge it? Like, where is that on here?
Yeah, you're just going to charge it here. We give you the cable.
Yeah.
All right, there's your charger.
Okay.
And then this is where you're putting the extension pole into. And you're getting 3 different sizes.
Right.
So as long as or as short as you want it.
Okay.
But then
And then once it's fully charged, how long will it run?
I notice it runs for about an hour, which is more than I'm ever going to clean my bathrooms or my kitchen or whatever.
Me too.
So I want you to notice it has actually 2 speeds. I'm going to put it on the high speed, and then I'm going to just kind of power it down to a lower speed.
Okay.
So maybe you don't need all that speed, but what about that shower door track? I'm using that conical brush. Now I'm able to get in there, pull all that dirt and grime out.
How about the sliding glass door track?
Or just the windows. You know, when you lift up the window of the spring, you're like, oh, what is all that muck that's in there?
And black.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's exactly right. Okay, now that's the other thing. Could I use this on outdoor windows?
Absolutely.
Or screens even a little bit?
Because look at the extension I'm getting. I'm getting close to 4 feet extension. So now I'm able to easily clean and use the dispenser to dispense that liquid cleaner that I have in there. And now I'm able to take care of that. No problem. I'm not having to do the rubbing and the scrubbing. I'm allowing the power scrubber to do all the work for me. And then look at this. Bringing it back to brand new without having to bust your knuckles, without you having to rub and scrub.
Without having to bend down and get on your hands and knees. Here's the colors. Come on over. We have just a couple seconds left. What are you getting? You're getting the big round scrubber, which is what we use mostly. You get that conical one that then can get into the corners and the nooks and crannies. You get the extension wands. You also can choose the graphite gray, the lavender, or the sky blue. These 2 colors are only here at QVC. And here's your charging cable. And don't forget, you're saving $10 by getting it right now at QVC.
Thank you, Mary Beth.
Christopher, thank you so much. Well, guess what? The puppies are here. Or maybe it's the puppy. I think, is there 1 or 2 that made it? Oh.